ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೆರಿಡಿಟಿ? Traits of organisms are transferred from one generation to another. It is called as a heredity. What are the characteristics of organism? Eye and hair color, height, cheek and nose shape, ear structure. These are the characteristics of organism. What are the differences? Variations are differences found in organism belong to the same species. What is a genetics? Genetics is the study of genetics traits. Who is the father of modern genetics? Gregorian Mendel. John Gregor Mendel. What father of modern genetics? What were the characteristics of pea plant selected by Mendel for his experiment? Plant length, that's tall and short. Seed structure, round and wrinkled. Flower color, white and purple. Okay, some more characters also are there. What are the reasons for the differences? Meiosis, crossing over of chromosome during the cell division. These are the reasons for differences. What is the biodiversity? The slow changes that takes place in organism are what are called evolution. Charles Darwin. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains of a primitive organism preserved in rocks. What is the importance of fossils? Provides evidence for the evolution of life. What is the diversification? The formation of new and different species is called as a diversification. What are the main causes of diversification? Genetic predisposition and natural selection are the cause of diversification. Traits acquired by an organism during its lifetime are not heritable. Why? A typical cell variants are not heritable. This is because change in the sexual organ are not transferred to the DNA in the sex cells. That's why it's not heritable. Give an examples of fossils. Okay, Archaeopteryx fossils, dinosaur skull, petrified wood, ammonite, okay, Nictia. These are what examples for fossils. State the relative methods for estimating how old fossils are. Relative method and carbon dating are used. How do organisms with a specific characteristics determine their number in a population? Organisms increase their number in the ecosystem in 3 different ways. First one, differences. Second one, natural selection. Third one, genetic predisposition. What are homologous organs? Give example. Although the structure of organism is similar, the function are different in different organisms. These are called structural organs. Example, structural organs are homologous organs. Example, human hand, horse foreleg, whale's flipper, bat's wing. What are functional organs? Give example. Organs of a different types of organism have the same function, and if there is a difference in structure, they are called functional organs. Example, insect wings, bird wings and bat wings. How do differences in species promote their survival? Variation arises to adapt to change in environment. For example, some type of bacteria are able to survive at very high temperatures. Divergences can also lead to the emergence of a new types of organisms. Why did Mendel choose a pea plant for his experiments? They could easily be grown in pots. Their lifespan is short. The differences were easily distinguishable. How do you interpret elephant trampling, endangered species survival in an environment? Differences are not considered here due to natural calamities or trampling by elements. The way of a species has become extinct. This is the genetic direction that provide diversity without any adoptions. What are the effects on insect populations when plant in a particular environment suffer from disease? As the beetle begins to expand its colony, the plants suffer from disease. Because of this, the beetles do not get proper nutrition. However, the ones that survived differed in their weight. Then, when they get a proper nutrition, the weight of the beetles will be the same as the beetles in the first generation, and they will start to survive in nature. How is sex determination in humans? How is sex determined in a baby? The sex determining chromosome are XX in females and XY in males. The genetic makeup of X and Y's result in half of the children what being a boy and the half being a girl. Whether a child is a boy or a girl, they inherit the what same X chromosome from the mother. Thus, the sex of the children is determined by the genes they inherit from their father. A child who inherits an X chromosome from the father will be a girl, and the child who inherits a Y chromosome will be a boy, or a sex determination in humans. Okay, up to now we discussed what which chapter? It's a heredity and evolution. Okay, these are 1 mark questions to rememorize. Listen what once by once, again and again, to listen again and again. What these videos are helpful for you to rememorize or to what make a revision. Hopefully these what videos are helpful for you. If you feel these videos are what helpful, share to your friends. Thank you so much.